Welcome to the Tenergy channel. Today's video is all about answering some of the most commonly asked questions we get about the Tenergy TN438 charger. So let's get started. What is the refresh button for? The refresh button is a feature that allows you to cycle your nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium AA, AAA batteries. This means that the charger will completely discharge the battery, then charge it back to full capacity. The screen displays CHG when it's in charging mode and DISCHG when it's in discharging mode. This process is optional, but it can help extend the lifespan of your batteries. When you use rechargeable batteries, over time, they can lose some of their capacity, which can lead to reduced run times and eventually a battery that no longer holds a charge. By using the refresh feature, you can help keep your batteries in good condition and ensure that they last longer. Please note that while the refresh function can help to extend the lifespan of batteries, it is not a guaranteed solution for all battery-related issues. If your batteries are already damaged or past their useful life, refreshing them may not make much of a difference. However, using the refresh function on a regular basis, as part of a battery maintenance routine, can help to keep your batteries in good condition and ensure that they last longer. When should I use the refresh button? If you leave your rechargeable batteries unused for long periods of time, such as during storage, we recommend using the refresh function every 2 to 6 months to help maintain the battery's optimal performance. Another instance when you should use the refresh function is if you notice that your batteries aren't holding their charge as long as they used to, or if you are experiencing shorter run times than usual. This is especially true if you're using nickel-cadmium batteries, as they are known to develop a memory effect over time, which can cause a decrease in their overall capacity. Unless the batteries already damages or past their useful life, using the refresh function may be able to restore a portion or close to its original capacity. Its effectiveness depends on various factors, such as the age and condition of the battery. Also, note that the refresh function is not something that you need to use every time you charge your batteries. Using it too frequently can potentially reduce the lifespan of your batteries. As such, we recommended that you use this function only as needed or every 2 to 6 months as part of a battery maintenance routine. Do I have to charge 16 batteries all at once? No, you don't have to charge 16 batteries at once. This charger has individual charging slots, which means that you can charge as few as 1 battery or as many batteries as you need to. This is a great feature, especially if you only have a few batteries that need to be charged, or if you want to mix and match different batteries with different charge levels. How long does it take to charge the batteries? The charging time depends on the capacity of the batteries. You can refer to this chart on the manual to find out the charge time for your battery. For example, this premium AA battery has a capacity of 2,500 mAh. It'll take approximately 6.5 hours. If you don't find the capacity of the battery you're looking for, you can use this formula to calculate the estimated charge time. Estimated charge time equal to battery capacity divided by the charger charging current multiplied by 1.3, which is an estimation of the charging efficiency for this charger. Note that other chargers may have different value. This charger has 2 different charging current depending on the size of the batteries. If it's AA size, the charging current will be 500 mA. If it's AAA size, the charging current will be 250 mA. For example, let's pretend we didn't know the charging time of this premium AA battery. Let's apply that formula. We'll take this battery capacity, which is 2,500 mAh divided by 500 mA, since it's AA size, and multiply by 1.3, we'll get 6.5 hours. How do I know if the battery is full? Once the battery is fully charged, the bar level on the battery icon on the screen will be solid and stop flashing like this. Once the battery is fully charged, it's best to remove it from the charger to prevent any risk of overcharging, which can shorten the lifespan of your battery. So make sure to keep an eye on the screen and remove your fully charged batteries as soon as you see this icon turn solid. Will this automatically turn off once the batteries are fully charged? Short answer is yes. A more technical answer is the charger uses negative delta V to detect when a battery is full for each of the charging slots. Once negative delta V is detected, meaning the battery is fully charged, that slot will go into floating charge mode. In rare cases, the battery may have an abnormal voltage charge, and negative delta V does not occur. The charger has a built-in 8-hour timer that will kick in to stop the charging no matter what the state of charge it is. Will this charger work for lithium iron phosphate or lithium-ion batteries? No, this charger is not compatible with lithium iron phosphate or lithium-ion or any other types of batteries that are not nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium AA AAA batteries. It's important to note that different types of batteries have different charging requirements, so it's essential to use a charger that is designed specifically for the type of battery you have. For this one, it's only compatible with nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium AA AAA batteries. What does the charge error mean? If there is a problem while the batteries are being charged, the charger's screen will show an empty battery icon at the specific slot where the problem is happening and an error message on the left side of the screen. Sometimes the screen may not show anything at all. This usually means that a battery that cannot be charged, such as an alkaline or lithium iron phosphate battery, has been inserted by mistake. It could also be because the battery is defective or it's an old battery that has been over-discharged or is almost at the end of its life with a voltage below 1 volt. In any case, it is important to take out the battery that is causing the error and recycle it if needed. Always make sure to only use nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium rechargeable, AA AAA batteries in the charger to avoid these problems. Can I use it to charge other brand batteries? The short answer is yes, as long as the batteries are compatible with the charger, which is AA AAA, nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium batteries. However, we recommend using the batteries with the same brand as the charger for optimized performance. I hope that this answers your questions about the Tenergy TN438 charger. If you have any more questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.